Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Setia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can automatically create teamwork project on receiving client payments. So let's take an example that you own a software company and your company is creating the customized softwares as per the need and requirement of the customers. Now you want that whenever the customer makes a payment using your Razorpay payment link, automatically using the details of the payment and the customer, a new project should get created into a teamwork account so that your team can start working upon the project as per the requirement of the customer. For this, we need to create a connection between Razorpay and teamwork. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Razorpay with teamwork automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process on my screen. Welcome to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Razorpay to Teamwork Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a payment is received in your Razorpay account, automatically using the details of the payment and the customer, a new project should get created into your teamwork account. So just open this trigger window and choose the application name as Razorpay. Select the trigger event as payment captured. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webhook in your Razorpay account. So let's copy this webhook URL from here and I'll just take you to my Razorpay dashboard. Here we have to just scroll down and at last we can find settings option. Just click on settings and here we have to just click on webhooks option. Now here you can see that I have already added some webhooks over here. So now we are going to add a new webhook over here by clicking on this plus sign, add new webhook button. Now here we have to just paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. And in the active events, we have to select payment captured option. Just make a tick mark on it, payment captured. Okay. And let's click on create webhook. Webhook saved successfully. Okay. Now whenever the payment will be received, automatically the details will be captured in Pabbly Connect using this webhook. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to make a payment on the name of a customer. So I have already created a payment page over here named Web Development. So we have to just fill in the details on the name of a customer. Let's give the full name as Adam Smith. Email address as adamsmith11@gmail.com. Let's enter the phone details. Amount as 3,500 rupees and the type of website, let us give it as travel website. Okay, and let's click on pay. Now here we have to select the payment method as card payment. I have to just enter the card details over here. So these are my test card details. Cardholder name as Adam. And let's enter the CVV and click on pay. Here we have to enter the OTP and let's click on submit. Okay, and now the payment is successful. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and all the details of the customer along with the payment are captured over here. Let's scroll down. Here we can find the name as Adam. These are the card details. Okay, and here we can find the customer details, email address, his contact number, full name as Adam Smith, and all other details related to the payment are captured over here. Okay, here we can find the amount and other details also. So now we want that using these details of the customer, automatically a new project should get generated into your Teamwork account. For that, just come to this action step, choose the application name as Teamwork, select the action event as Create Project, click on Connect, click on Add New Connection. Now it is asking for the subdomain. For that, I'll just take you to my Teamwork account and in the URL we can find the subdomain. So here you can see pabbly2.eu. This is my subdomain. So I'll be copying it and I'll be pasting the same over here. So you have to enter your subdomain over here. And now we are going to click on Connect with Teamwork. Now it has taken us to the login window of our Teamwork account. So you have to enter the details over here and simply click on Login. Login successful. Authorization successful. Okay, and now the Teamwork account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to give the project name, its description and other details. So we have already got the details from the payment captured from Razorpay. So we are going to map all these details now one by one. So let's scroll down and here we are going to enter the details. Let's give the project name as Web Development Project. For here we are going to map the customer name from Razorpay, that was Adam as well as Smith. So the project name would be Web Development Project for Adam Smith, and here in the description I am going to just give the client details and I am just going to add the email address as well as the contact number, that is the mobile number. Okay, and we have to just map the details over here. For mapping, just come to Razorpay and here let us map the email address, that is adamsmith11@gmail.com. In the same way, we will be mapping the mobile number from Razorpay. Okay. Now here we have to add selected users to this project, to whom you want to add to this particular project. So you can select it as per your requirement. I am selecting Hardik to this project. Project owner will be Hardik itself. Okay. Now here if you want to mention the start date and the end date, you can just specify over here. The company name would be Pabbly. You can select your company name and here you can select your tags also. And let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and in the status we have got created. It means a new project is created in our Teamwork account. Let's check it. We have to just refresh our Teamwork account. Okay, and here we can see a new project created over here named Web Development Project for Adam Smith. The owner name is Hardik Pabbly and the company name is Pabbly. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now as we have created an automation between Razorpay and Teamwork, next time whenever any of your customers is going to make the payment using your Razorpay payment link, automatically a new project will get created into your Teamwork account. So let us check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that I'll just move to my payment page once again and we are just going to fill in the details of the name of some other customer this time. Let's give the full name as Shikha Arya. Email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com. Let's add the phone number and let's give the type of website as educational website. Okay, and let's click on Pay. Now again we have to select the payment method as card payment, adding the card details over here, and I'm just going to change the name, that is Shikha, and I'll enter the CVV and click on Pay 3,500 rupees. Let's enter the OTP over here. Payment is successful. Okay. So here we can see that we have made a payment on the name of Shikha Arya. So let's check whether the same project is created for Shikha or not in our Teamwork account. We have to just refresh our Teamwork account. Okay, and here we can see a new project on the name of Web Development Project for Shikha Arya. Owner name as Hardik and the company name as Pabbly. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer whenever a new payment was received, the payment details as well as the customer details. And using those details, automatically a new project was created into your Teamwork account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Razorpay and Teamwork using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.